Hi guys, getting ready for our last full day. No, it's second last full day. Tomorrow, last day na namin. So, today we are going to Dior Cafe. Yes, and we are getting ready. Naira is there. Get ready with us, going for Dior Cafe. Hi guys, we are ready to go. Today we are going to Dior Cafe. Diba? It's our expensive cafe for today's video. Let's explore and spend. Gonna be expensive. Let's go. Oh, hi guys, we're going to our way. We are on the way. Yan, nagtuktok lang kami mula sa hotel namin hanggang dito sa BTS station, Nana Station. From there, we take how many stops?
2 stops.
2 stops. We're taking BTS, 2 stops, and then walking distance already to Dior. Let's go. Oh my gosh, behind. Taking our escalator to Nana BTS section. From here, we're buying ticket. 2 stops lang. 2 stops lang, then Dior na. From here, we're buying 4 tickets. Around 100 baht for 4. Bakit may ano? Just nice, just in time. Ayan, kararating lang namin. Hopefully not so much people. I think no. Oh, a lot of people. Let's go! Baba na kami. 2 stops lang. Cheap long. Dito na kami bumaba, Chitlong BTS. Tapos from here, you can just walk. Lalakad lang mula sa mall na to. I don't know what mall is this. Chitlong Mall. BTS station. Tapos ayun lang. Ito na yung stairs na yan. Ayan na yung Gold House Dior. Let's go! Guys, ayan. Dior Gold House. Tapos, eto na siya. Actually, our booking is 10 o'clock. We so early. Cannot go in yet. Look at that! Ayan siya. Hindi pa siya bukas. You can just go in. Just go in here. Can. I think so. Our booking is 10 o'clock, but we come so early. So, dito muna kami magpipicture-picture. Ayan siya. Gold House of Dior. Walk here until they open. Open also 10 o'clock. Can walk there? Nothing much there. I think we are the first booking for today. Because before you can come in, you need to book your visits. Here you can take photo here. Meron siyang photo spot dito. At ganyan siya. I bring you here. Yung mga kasama ko, mga boring. Ayaw akong picturean. Oh, this is nice in here. Gaganon ko na lang. Sariling sikap na lang ako dito kasi ayan, sarado pa siya. 10 o'clock siyang open. Cannot wait, ah. Has to go?
Yeah.
We got so early. They asked us to go. Still early. Where are we going? Still early. Guys, habang naghihintay kami ng time to open kasi sarado pa siya. Medyo marami na rin naghihintay. Umakyat muna kami sa stairs na to. At nag-taking photo. Ayan. Magandang spot na to kasi kita mo naman books. Meron akong picture na nakatayo dito. Sisingit ko na lang dito yan. Ang ganda. Sariling sikap ako kasi andun sila. Ayaw nilang umakyat. Ayaw nila akong tulungan. Picture. I got one nice photo already here. Ganda. Waiting. We all waiting to open. How many minutes more, honey?
6 minutes more.
6 minutes? Papasukin nyo na kami.
For people, right?
That's right.
Yes. So we are here now. Look at that. So glam. Coffee Dior. Okay na?
Okay.
What they gonna have for today? Got La Luna Sangre. Classic French croissant, pistachio filling. Oh, this one, I like this one. I want this one, okay? And
Cake na lang, okay.
what else? Where's the cup? Lavande. Jasmine, rose,
Alcohol-free beverages.
and then cafe. Double espresso, americano, latte, flat white. What you want, Naira? Got chocolate here. Yeah, you can choose. Three of you look at here. Han, Naira, Irish. 1, 2, 3.
I want to walk around 24 to order.
The croissant pistachio. The one, the bread one.
That's all.
Naira, your drinks is chocolate. You choose chocolate.
These are them.
Yeah, you
Oh,
take
600. Other one is La Fiore. Tagaytay.
Would you like to take a look price and price of the cake?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So of the cake, we have the 5 selection.
Okay.
Yes, and for this one is the first item in the menu is a lacanoa made from the pandan and cafe. This one is not too sweet. Yes, please. And for this one is the la rose. Is the second. Yes. Inside have the
La
coconut,
rose.
lychee, and raspberry. Yes, is a sour and sweet. Yes, and this one is a lacanoa. Is the third one. Yes, inside have the vanilla, mango, passion fruit, and pistachio. Yes, and the white one is a bestseller here, jasmine, honey, and hazelnut, milk holiday.
Okay.
Yes, and the last one is the la soleil made from the dark chocolate and banana.
Which one you want?
We have the chocolate croissant.
Oh, this is the one I want.
Yes,
Yeah.
and this one is the raspberry lettuce. And this one is the bestseller here, croissant with pistachio.
Oh.
Yes, and this one is the passion fruit tennis, and the last one is the vanilla hazelnut.
Okay, now I got idea.
Let's order some to a sparkling water first.
Sparkling water.
Just get
For
one.
me, I'll get the Perrier.
Perrier, yes please.
And the chocolate one, Aaron.
Perrier 700 mils. It's 750 mils.
Yes please, it's a good hot chocolate.
And hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, yes please.
You?
Latte.
No.
Hot latte.
Irish.
No, no, I want Perrier. You guys want to try?
Just water. Eh, got lemon. You need to put lemon. Magkano?
260.
You take cafe lah.
Nice, nice. I wanted to drink this bourbon.
So while we're waiting our order, yeah, can we can just
I listen to that.
my latte. Look at that, so gross. Hmm?
Yeah, please don't miss it.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can I borrow one menu?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I drink like this?
Which one? So what we have is this one, this croissant pistachio. Cut into four na yun.
What is it?
Passion fruit.
It's not supposed to go on your lap, right?
Test the sun. This is what
Passion fruit with
caramel. No, your name. What is that name?
very long. Latte.
This is La Luna, right? No? This one, La Ville.
Very silky. It tastes $24.
No need to say that.
Okay, now she's gonna break.
So we try this one. Their best seller. Parang ayoko sira.
Ano matikas?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
You got the gold. Yes, of course. No,
Okay.
yes.
What's inside?
It's like, I don't know. Basahin mo nga, Iris. Tignan mo yung menu. Yung best seller nila, La Ville. Okay, let's try this. Ice cream inside.
Ice cream?
Yeah. Jasmine hazelnut texture. Very crunchy siya inside. Very nice. White chocolate. What is the gold one?
Okay na?
White chocolate.
batches. 10 to 11:30. 11:30 to 1
You try. Latte talaga. Pure latte talaga.
The coffee, the bean is not so, the body of the bean is not.
No, very thick nga. It's supposed to be milky, the latte. Patikim nga. Tikman mo yung latte ko. I'm gonna try this one. What? Very herbal. Very herbal this one. What name is this? Anong name niya?
Garden latte.
Garden latte. Very garden yung taste niya. Oh, Iris, you do this naman. You cut this croissant.
I haven't done.
This is the seller of their pastry, the best seller of the pastry because it has pistachio creamy inside. Cut into 4. Ayan. You try.
Not you try. You try.
The one hand pour already. Oh, the inside. Lugi yung sa dulo. Walang ano.
I take the corner.
O, dali, Han, i-review mo yan. So, husband trying the pistachio croissant. Wow, isang subo lang. Very golden. Very golden. And crunchy, right? The pistachio is very creamy.
Very flaky. Special, flaky.
You see the pistachio?
Walang kaya.
Really?
No, pistachio lang. Very nice, very creamy. So let's enjoy our cafe here. See you later outside. I-check natin yung toilet. This is the your toilet. Yeah, look at that. So glam. Every cubicle got this one. So cute. So glam. Ayan. Parang mas maganda mag-picture dito. Guys, let's go outside, explore it, and sorry. Yes, this is have here that you can take a photo. I think we're gonna stick here. Yeah. Here we got so much fun and feeling splurge. Yeah, medyo naggastos tayo this day, and here today's video. Yeah, umastos tayo. Ako po ang nagbayad. Sila. Kasi ako may gustong magpunta dito. So yeah, that's all for our Gold House your video. See you on my next one. Bye bye.